Hello, this is Shubham, and in this video, we will learn that how to do a quick data analysis and how to use data analysis feature available in Office 365 subscription version. So, for example, if you have a data set, just to select the data and in the home tab from the very right side, you will find Analyze Data. This is based on artificial intelligence by Microsoft. It basically analyze the data and give the suggestions with meanings. So let us explore this feature. So I have selected the data first and now I will click the analyze data. This feature requires an internet connections to produce the analytics. It will take around 15 to 30 seconds to analyze your data. So very quickly it gives you some key insights about your data. So it highlights from the information, it highlights the outliers. As you can see here, we have some high outliers from the sales data. It also creates some charts as well. And also the reasoning, it has created a bar chart and it also created a reason that for the month of June, a customer, which is customer D, has noticeable higher sales. So we can further investigate upon this reasoning, right? It also creates a donut chart depicting that a channel partner in the quarter 3 has the majority of the sales. So very quickly, within few seconds, it has generated more than 30 results based on our data set. And it is also a super cool feature. And for example, if you want any of the analytics which you like, you can just click on insert pivot chart and it will insert a new sheet and that pivot is ready and the chart is ready, right? It also understands the NLP, natural language processing, so you can ask questions about your data as well. So for example, if I see total says USD and when I press enter, it shows me an answer. That is the sales which is in the data is 21.6 million. So instead of writing the sum function, I can ask in the natural language processing as well. I can also give some more commands and this features also suggests some questions you can ask from the database. So if I click on any of the question, it gets ready within a seconds. So this is the awesome features where you can analyze your data very quickly as compared to the traditional way. Thank you.